How to make an effective crypto marketing strategy. In the rapidly evolving world of cryptocurrencies, having a well-defined marketing strategy is crucial for the success of any project or company. A strong marketing plan enables crypto businesses to effectively reach their target audience, build brand awareness, foster trust, and ultimately drive adoption. In this article, we will delve into the intricacies of creating an effective crypto marketing strategy, covering various aspects such as understanding the target audience, setting clear goals, leveraging different marketing channels, and measuring success. Before formulating a marketing strategy, it is essential to have a deep understanding of the target audience. Conduct thorough market research to identify the demographics, interests, and pain points of potential users or investors. This will help tailor the marketing efforts to resonate with the target audience, increasing the chances of successful engagement. Setting clear and measurable goals is vital for any marketing strategy. Determine whether the primary objective is to increase brand awareness, drive user adoption, or attract investors. Establish specific, realistic, and time-bound goals to guide the marketing efforts effectively. Creating a strong brand identity is crucial in the competitive crypto market. Develop a unique value proposition that differentiates your project from others. Craft a compelling brand story that resonates with the target audience and conveys the core values of your project. Consistency in branding across various marketing channels helps build trust and recognition. Content marketing plays a pivotal role in crypto marketing strategies. Produce high-quality content such as blog posts, articles, white papers, and videos to educate and engage the target audience. Focus on providing valuable insights, addressing pain points, and showcasing the benefits of your crypto project. Leverage SEO techniques to optimize content for search engines and increase organic visibility. Social media platforms are powerful tools for crypto marketing. Identify the platforms most popular among the target audience and establish a strong presence there. Engage with the community, share relevant content, and participate in discussions to build credibility and foster trust. Utilize paid advertising options on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn to reach a wider audience. Collaborating with influential figures in the crypto space can significantly boost brand visibility and credibility. Identify key influencers, thought leaders, and industry experts who align with your project's values and target audience. Engage them in partnerships, sponsorships, or content collaborations to leverage their reach and influence. Building an active and engaged community is vital for the success of any crypto project. Create dedicated channels on platforms like Telegram, Discord, or Slack to facilitate communication and interaction among community members. Organize AMA, Ask Me Anything, sessions, webinars, or live events to foster engagement and address queries. Encourage community participation by rewarding loyal members or running referral programs. Establishing a positive media presence is crucial for gaining credibility and attracting attention. Develop relationships with relevant media outlets, journalists, and bloggers in the crypto industry. Craft compelling press releases, pitch stories, and seek opportunities for interviews or guest articles to secure media coverage. Regularly monitor and manage the project's reputation through media monitoring tools. Consider allocating a portion of the marketing budget to paid advertising campaigns. Platforms like Google Ads, display networks, or crypto-specific advertising networks can help reach a wider audience. Develop targeted ad campaigns based on demographics, interests, or keywords relevant to the project. Continuously monitor and optimize campaigns to maximize ROI. Regularly track and analyze the performance of marketing campaigns to measure their effectiveness. Utilize tools like Google Analytics, social media analytics, or marketing automation platforms to gather data on key metrics such as website traffic, conversion rates, engagement levels, and ROI. Use these insights to refine the marketing strategy and make data-driven decisions. Crafting an effective crypto marketing strategy requires a comprehensive understanding of the target audience, clear goals, and a well-rounded approach that leverages various marketing channels. By building a strong brand identity, producing valuable content, engaging with the community, collaborating with influencers, and measuring success through analytics, crypto businesses can create impactful marketing campaigns that drive adoption and establish a competitive edge in the market. Visit the link in the description below for more information.